This is the absolutely most powerful chart we have ever seen in the history of making money. Are you prepared to make money with me this cycle? Well, then welcome back to the Crypto Bliss channel. Let's delve right into this very specific altcoin chart that is showing us how you can become financially free and extremely wealthy. Thanks for being here with me today. Let's delve right into the exact of where this begins. And currently, as you can see here on the Bitcoin dominance chart, every single time we break the low here, the previous low, boom, there is a waterfall, and then this becomes altcoin season. Then you have a pump, which becomes Bitcoin season, and so hence this was a Bitcoin dominant season, and this was a Bitcoin dominant season, and this was a Bitcoin dominant season. Now, when there is an altcoin dominance, you see that Bitcoin starts to collapse down, and here we are currently seeing Bitcoin collapse down. Now, the thing about this is that Bitcoin is busy making a low here. So are we about to see perhaps one last pump into Bitcoin and us hitting a high here? I don't know, but this candle isn't ready to close above last week's candle, which tells me that the retest over here is a very, very, very important retest, because here is the symmetrical rising wedge, which is a very bearish pattern. What happens is you creep up from the bottom all the way up, and then all of a sudden you crash. So a lot of liquidity will come from Bitcoin into altcoins, and we could see this market hit somewhere all the way back down to about 40% dominance while we see the altcoin seasons go berserk. Now, my friends, that is already happening. Okay, we have already seen the start of this. So for now, if we were to see this continue, we could see over the next kind of 20 to 24 weeks, i.e. 3 to 6 months at the most, maybe end of April at the absolute most, really, right now, okay, is possibly the end of the dominance falling against and the altcoins pumping against Bitcoin. So, which leads me into the Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin is very important to understand how we will take profits into these altcoins, right? That I will teach you how to do on a next video down the line. So make sure you are subscribed to the Crypto Bliss channel and community. Thank you for being here with me. All right, let's carry on. So Bitcoin has only ever gone up forever. And if you have watched this video that I just shared with you, you will see on that video that actually Bitcoin is now officially 5,232 days out of 5,233 days in profit. Meaning if you bought Bitcoin way back then, you have been in profit for that many days, which means that you are making money, my friend. And the only reason we're one day out of profit is because we haven't broke it. We're only just like a little bit up here on this week's candle and on the daily candle. So for now, Bitcoin is going to continue to go up, which means that we could see dominance maybe hang out here under this support zone for a moment or two, while altcoins get the pump, right? Which leads me on then into the total crypto market cap. Well, the total crypto market cap, my friends, actually has a ridiculously strong level of resistance, okay? You can see here that we could possibly reach a high at around the $6.5 trillion market cap. I don't know about that. I think we could go way up here and hit a potential $12 trillion market cap. All right, so you can see here that on the Fibonacci in the 2017 bull cycle, from the bear cycle to the 2022 all-time high, we had the crypto market come up to the 4.618 level, just under it, right? Right now, we are busy breaking that. And if we had to do the same Fibonacci levels, okay, although look at how long we sat sideways here. We haven't sat sideways here for very long, right? Nowhere near as long as this bearish period here. But if you did accumulate through there, you became ultra rich in the last bull cycle. But my friends, right now you can see here that we are already on the uptrend. So we're about to, if we take this trend line and put it a little bit more properly, okay, you can see here that the next target for this right now is all the way up here at a possible $6 trillion. And this is for the crypto market cap. Well, that's probably one of the levels. That's not getting us all the way up to the potential of the 11 to 12 trillion dollar market cap on crypto, guys. Because really, if we do look at it, this is a massive explosion happening out here, okay? This is the target out of the cup and handle pattern. But then we also have a breakthrough this resistance line, pull back into possible support here on the 1.618, and then a massive rally up into the 4.618 level. And that's why I just want to say to you right now, this is the time to make money in the market, okay? You have not seen a more massive moment to make money, okay? Now, this is all the altcoins excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So it's including XRP, it's including all the others, okay? This same Fibonacci level, okay, it didn't even make it all the way up there. So all of these coins came up to about $1.2 trillion levels, literally just touched that level and then dropped from there. The same thing, long accumulation period, short accumulation period, and right now we've just broken out of the high and then pulled back a little bit. If we are to do the same thing, and this has been a suppressed market, we could get up to the 4.618, no problem. But I want to show you that excluding some of the top altcoins, and you know, Solana's in there now, and Solana's pumping like crazy, BNB is pumping like crazy, XRP is pumping like crazy, Cardano's pumping like crazy, AVAX is pumping like crazy, Chainlink is pumping like crazy. So that for me tells me that we're going to do something more like this, okay? But before I show you this, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and if you are trading with me, make sure to hit my Bybit link down in the description of the video below. Make some money with me. Right now, we could pull back down here to the 100K level once again. Right now, there's no doubt about it. If you watch this video here, you can see that we are currently being suppressed by the likes of Black Market, etc., BlackRock, etc. And that is because currently we are hitting this very, very, very strong level of resistance over there. Okay, so right now we are playing bounce in this zone here. Okay, you can see that. So now once we do break this box, we will be off to the moon. But we could pull back down here and then pump up. Who actually knows? But thank you for being here with me on the Crypto Bliss channel. Let's get finished here on this chart. Now, if you see this Fibonacci level pulled all the way back here to the bottom, you can see that actually we had a massive spike through, a pullback into support, all the way back down at the 1.618 level, okay? So expect the same to happen. Then a massive pump through, we busted through this level like absolute crazy. So if we are to do the same, we're literally only getting started here on this all others market cap. So we could literally see trillions and trillions and trillions of dollars come into the space. And that's why I believe we could see at least a $4.2 trillion altcoin season, okay? Hence up here, we could see 2 trillion outside, and Ethereum and all the others would include, well, Ethereum on its own could hit 2 trillion is what I believe. And we could see this pump right through here and probably hit a $3 to $5 trillion market cap with a spike up here because of the volatility and the liquidity that is about to come into the space. So if you've enjoyed the video, please make sure to share this video with your friends, your family, and all those that need to know that right now, this literally is your last chance to get into crypto, okay? For the cycle, not going forward, just for the cycle. And if you appreciate that, show some love, and we'll see you on the next one. Bless yourselves. Take care. Have yourself a lovely evening.